Hey there, warm welcome. This is Quick Answers Ghana, and today we have an exciting news for you. December is here, and so is the festive rush. Okay, whether you're in Accra, Lagos, or Nairobi, one thing is very clear, and it's the fact that everyone is spending, and you could be cashing in. What am I talking about? Now, in this video, I'll be sharing with you 8 simple ways you can make extra money this festive season. Now, there's no huge capital needed here, and just a little hustle and creativity, okay, and then you'll be good to go. Okay, but before we proceed, before we dive right into it, kindly give me a subscribe and hit the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video like this, then you'll be the first to get to watch. Now, let's dive right into it, and I'll give you 8 side hustles that you can do this festive season and will bring you a lot of money. Let's go. At number 8 is house cleaning service. Now, the festive season is here, and you agree with me that a lot of people want their homes clean. Some have not even cleaned their homes for the entirety of the year. So this is the opportunity for them to clean their homes, and that is where you come in. This is a quick tip into starting this business. Start with your church, your mosque, or your WhatsApp group. Post something like, I am available for house cleaning services. Big or small, I got you. And trust me, families will come rushing to you. And if cleaning is not your thing, if scrubbing is not your thing, then you can outsource it to pros. Outsource your gig to cleaning services and take your cut. Easy peasy. That's the one easy way of making money. Now, another side hustle you can do this festive season, number 7, customized print. Now, you know all these calendars, pens, tote bags that everyone hands out during Christmas. That is where you come in, okay? Now, you can team up with the printing house, offer to bring them clients, and take your commission. It's as simple as that. And this is your quick tip to being successful in this business. Get a list of all the businesses you can contact, okay? It doesn't matter whether big or small, even that barbering salon, those people, that choba, that restaurant, anybody at all that can give out something during festive season. Walk into their restaurants, walk into their shops, walk into their offices. Tell them this is what you have, that you can print for them souvenirs that they can give to their clients. And when they agree to deal with you, take that deal and go give to the print house, and you are in business. Every office want to give out a personalized gift to say thank you to their clients, and that is where you can make in some money. Now let's go to option number 6 is market runs or shopping. All right, now here's a hustle that's both simple and profitable. Market runs. Now some people are way too busy throughout the year, even during the festive seasons, to shop for food and gifts for their loved ones. And that's where you come in. You have time. What are you doing? You are just like me. Probably you have nothing doing the whole day. That is where we come in, okay? Offer to do their market runs for a fee. And the tip here is start with people you know. Drop them a message saying, hi, I can save you the stress of market wahala this December. Let me shop for you. It's as simple as that. Easy money. You know where you live. You know the market. You know what they want. So you can do your calculations and then go in for it. It's as simple as that. Now let's move on to option number 5 that you can do to make money this festive season. And it is affiliate for event planners. All right. Now we know that December equals parties, and parties means planners. Planners are very important this festive season, so be the plug between your friends and event planners. When your friend's event is a hit, you get paid without lifting a single table. It is a win-win situation for all of you. So your friends want to throw out a party, all right? This is the quick tip I'm giving you. Find a reputable planners and negotiate a commission up front, and start pitching to your friends, your family, and anyone hosting event. The whole season is full of event. It's everywhere. So just talk to an event planner, agree with him at a fee, and then link them to people and make your commission without you doing anything. You just have to sit back and enjoy the commission. Now let's move on to option number 4, the side hustle or the hustle you can do this festive season and make money. And this is one of my favorite. It is projector hiring for churches. Look, you agree with me that the churches are gearing up for their big programs. And if you're in Ghana like I am myself, when you're walking through town, you see posters everywhere about Christmas events already. And then on 31st, there's going to be massive crusade and crossovers. That is where you can make money by hiring projectors for your church. You don't have to own a projector yourself. Just look for people who have the projectors and start by talking to your church. That same church you go, you've been giving them offering every single Sunday. It's about time to take a little from it. All right. So tell them that you can offer them projectors for hiring for the event that they'll be doing this festive season, and let the technicians handle it. So all you have to do is link the projector hiring owner to the technician of your church, and the two of them deal. You take your commission, and easy peasy. And the easy side hustle that you can do this festive season. Now to number 3, accommodation for visitors, accommodation for people who will be coming in, trooping in for the festive season. Now, a lot of our people abroad are coming home for Christmas. You agree with me? Some of them don't even have an accommodation. Some of them don't want to go home to their home towns. All right, they want to stay in the big cities. All right, and they will need places to stay. This is your chance to link them to Airbnbs or service apartments and take a fee. So your job is to be an agent. Your job this festive season is to tell the people in Europe, in America, that they'll be coming home that, look, if you come, there is an apartment here I can link you up to. And this is a quick tip. All you have to do is join Facebook groups for Nigerians or Ghanaians or Kenyans or Ugandans or Cameroonians who are in the diaspora and will be coming home, and start pitching your ideas to them. Look, be polite, but be confident. All right. If they don't trust you, they will not be able to deal with you. Let them know you know what you're saying. Let them know you know what you're talking about, and they'll be willing to deal with you. Okay. That is another side hustle that you can do, linking people to apartments and Airbnbs, because they'll be coming home for the festive season. Now to option number 2, side hustle number 2, and this, I'm sure everybody will have to try this one, is sell rice in bags. Rice is December's MVP. Rice is December's food. Rice is December's All right. Now, shop owners, everyone needs rice. Okay. So connect buyers to wholesalers, charge a markup, and you are good to go. It's simple as that. Yeah. Nothing. You want people, people who want to buy rice. So what you have to do is link these people to people who are selling rice, and then you take your commission. It's easy. So the quick tip here is that find bulk sellers offering competitive prices. Then tell people you are their rice plug. Easy sales, easy profits. Everybody buy rice, you win, I win, everybody goes home. And this is the very final one. The out hustle that you can do is family photography. And all you can do, you don't have to be a photographer yourself. All right. Now, everyone, you agree with me, want cute, festive pictures. So partner with a good photographer and link them to families. It's simple. Okay. Take a cut for every shot they book. Yeah, it's simple. Me and my family want to take photos. We don't even know where photographers are. You know where photographers are. So just look for families and tell them, like, okay, you want to take photos for this Christmas season, I will bring you a photographer, and then you negotiate with the photographer and take a commission. Okay, so the quick tip is use social media to post. All right, you can post something like, looking for a pro to take stunning family Christmas photos. I've got you covered. Trust me, families will come running to you. People will start sending you messages. People will be calling you on phone, and they'll be telling you, look, we need the service of a photographer. You said you can help us get one, and you are in business. You don't have to be a photographer. You just link them to a photographer and you take your commission. And so there you have it, 8 festive side hustles to make quick cash this December. Now it's time to pick one and get to work. Please don't just watch, don't just listen. Pick one and start getting or doing something about it. Let me know in the comment section which idea you are trying it out. If I have any other cool hustle that we can do this festive season, kindly share as well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because more money making tips are coming your way. Happy hustling and happy holidays. This is Quick Answers Ghana. Thank you very much for watching.